Troubleshooting MMS on ALDI Mobile, APN, and auto retrieve. Experiencing issues receiving picture messages on your ALDI mobile phone? Don't worry, it's often a quick fix. The most common culprits are incorrect APN settings or disabled auto retrieve. First, let's tackle APN. APN, or access point name, settings are like the gateway that connects your phone to ALDI Mobile's data network. If these settings are wrong, MMS messages won't be able to download. For Verizon-based ALDI plans, the APN is typically wholesale, with the MMSC set to ht/wholesale.msmvino.com MMS/WAPNC, and MMS proxy to 6zip.15508080. Go to your phone's settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and finally access point names to check and manually enter or reset these. Next, make sure auto retrieve is enabled in your messaging app settings. This feature automatically downloads MMS messages without you having to tap each one individually. Look for options like Auto Download MMS or Auto Retrieve. If these are disabled, you'll only see a notification but not the actual image or video. Correcting these two settings resolves most MMS issues on ALDI Mobile. If your APN and Auto Retrieve settings are correct, but you're still having MMS problems, the next thing to check is your phone's storage. MMS messages, especially those containing videos, take up space. If your phone is full, it won't be able to download new MMS messages. ALDI recommends having at least 100 megabytes of free space. Clear out old photos, videos, and apps you no longer need, or consider using cloud storage to free up space. Finally, it's worth noting that MMS is gradually being replaced by RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which is a more modern messaging standard. RCS is supported on 70% of US smartphones as of 2025 and offers features similar to WhatsApp. While these fixes are essential for older devices, ALDI will integrate RCS into its plans, potentially eliminating MMS issues in the long term. Also, ALDI's 2025 update includes AI-assisted diagnostics in carrier apps, where users input symptoms for automated fixes. For the latest settings and troubleshooting, check the official ALDI mobile website or app.